The Book of Obadiah is the shortest book in the Old Testament, consisting of just 21 verses, yet it delivers a powerful prophetic message focused on judgment against Edom and the vindication of Israel. Judgment against Edom. The prophet Obadiah announces God's judgment against Edom, a nation descended from Esau, Jacob's brother. Edom is condemned for pride and arrogance in their mountainous strongholds, violence against Israel, especially during the Babylonian invasion of Jerusalem, likely around 586 BC, failing to help their Israelite brothers, and instead rejoicing in their downfall, looting and capturing fleeing refugees. The day of the Lord. Obadiah declares that the day of the Lord is near, a day of reckoning for all nations, not just Edom. Edom will be destroyed, while Israel, Jacob, will be restored and victorious. Restoration of Israel. The prophecy ends with a vision of Israel's restoration. Territories lost to enemies will be reclaimed. Deliverers will go up Mount Zion, and the kingdom will belong to the Lord, a declaration of God's ultimate sovereignty. Themes. Pride leads to downfall. Edom's self-reliance, pride in their defenses, and gloating over Israel's suffering leads to their judgment. Brotherhood betrayed. Edom's betrayal of Israel is seen as especially grievous because of their shared ancestry. God's justice holds them accountable for violating that familial bond. The day of the Lord. A central prophetic theme. God will bring justice not just to Edom, but to all nations. It is both a day of judgment and hope. Divine justice and sovereignty. God is portrayed as the sovereign ruler over all nations, ensuring that evil and betrayal are not left unpunished. Hope for God's people. Although the focus is on Edom's judgment, Obadiah ends with a vision of Israel's restoration and God's ultimate reign. Though brief, the Book of Obadiah delivers a strong message. God opposes the proud and defends the oppressed. It warns nations and individuals against pride, betrayal, and indifference to suffering, while affirming that God's justice will prevail and His people will be restored.